You've heard of Claude by Anthropic, but what about Claude Design? This will change the way that you design anything. With Claude Design, you can create interactive prototypes, presentations, website and app wireframes, and branded UI assets by simply chatting with AI. I've been using Claude Design now for a few months and it is absolutely incredible, enabling you to move from a simple idea to a fully interactive and exceptionally high quality design in minutes. Before I use Claude Design, my design process would take hours to days depending on the type of project. Now it just takes a few minutes. So today I'm going to share how Claude Design works, as well as practical use cases for your day-to-day design workflows. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so here I am inside of Claude. Now to arrive here, simply head over to your browser and type in claude.ai, or click on the first link in the description below this video and that's going to take you here. Now, if you currently do not have a Claude account or you're completely new to Claude, I will add a few tutorials down below in the description that will help you get familiar with all that you can do with Claude. For me, Claude has taken over many of my day-to-day workflows. It's actually a game changer what Claude can do for your business. However, today we want to talk about Claude Design. This is a new tool, a new feature that has recently been shipped by Claude. Now to locate and access Claude Design, simply navigate down to Design above your profile. Click here. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, Claude Design is still in beta, but even the beta version is absolutely mind-blowing. As I mentioned, I've used Claude Design across many of my projects and it's changed the way that I design anything. Now, it's more than just a design tool. Claude Design gives you everything you need to then push to other platforms. For example, if you're designing an app or a website, you can push your interactive designs over to Claude Code to then build out your app or website with that design. Or you could push designs to Canva, Figma, or even a website builder, for example, like Wix or Webflow. Okay, so over here we have some templates. Let's navigate up to this prompt interface and click here. And let's first redesign my website for Sheetify CRM. This is one of the businesses I run that sells business toolkits to small businesses. This includes a CRM, bookkeeping, inventory, and project management toolkits. These toolkits that we sell are only a one-time price, so small businesses love these toolkits. But I'm going to design a new one with Claude Design. Let's jump in here and add a small brief. Okay, so I've given Claude Design a basic brief. Don't worry, Claude will also ask you additional questions based on your brief before building your design. Okay, so I've added, please create a website design for Sheetify CRM. Here is the existing website and I've added the website in here that we want to improve on. Please create a homepage and 4 product pages, Sheetify CRM, bookkeeping, projects, and inventory. Use the images below for the product pages as well as other images for other parts of the website. Also design a about and contact page. Design this website so it is conversion focused. As you can see, this is a very simple brief. However, the more details you add, the more specific your design output will be. Let's jump over here and add some images, attach file. Okay, so I'll quickly locate the images and add them here. Just like that, I took some time to add these product images. Again, you can do this if you like, or do it later on. The reason I want to add product images is because I already have them, and I want Claude Design to pick up on the type of branding and the information on the images to use across our page designs. Okay, once you're happy with your brief and you've uploaded your content, again, this could be page screenshots of websites you like, your business logo, product images, or other important materials you want to use in your designs. Choose your model here, I'd keep it as default and click create. As mentioned, and based on your brief, you'll get a bunch of questions. These will be different depending on your input. What's failing on your current site? I'm going to click a few of these options. Too much text, doesn't feel premium enough, and product pages do not show the product clearly enough. Sheetify inventory pricing. Claude can't pick this up, so I'm going to select the correct price and navigate down. Add the primary CTA on every page. The call to action for me is get lifetime access. I like this. Visual direction. Let's go with dark. High contrast, matches product art, copy on new pages. Let's go ahead and let Claude do the work for us. Write fresh conversion copy, which trust conversion element to include. Let's go ahead and select a few, and I'm happy with this. Show designs at, and we want desktop plus mobile for all pages. Let's leave these 2 final questions. I can also click decide for me, and Claude Design will not use your answers and make decisions for you. If you want Claude to ask you more follow-up questions, you can click here, or go ahead and click on send answer. Now, this can take a few minutes for Claude Design to build your design from your prompt. If we navigate over to the chat on the left-hand side, you can see Claude Design is jumping right into your prompt and building your design for you. Okay, so just like that, our website pages have been designed. I'm loving the look and feel of this new design. design. What we want to do is take the time to navigate through the different pages before making edits. Let's jump up to the top and jump over to a product page. Sheetify CRM, this is one of our business toolkits. You can see the content has also been generated with Claude. Get lifetime access. I like the call to action, the call outs down here. Let's navigate down, and I love the structure of the page with text, content, and images like this. Let's navigate down further. Again, I like our footer. Let's jump over to another product page, Sheetify bookkeeping, get lifetime access, and again, a similar structure with the images and content. Get lifetime access. Now we haven't built an add to cart page yet, but we can if we like. Let's preview what this site looks like on mobile. Again, we're on this product page, and you can see the design is mobile responsive. Okay, let's change back to desktop and back over to home. Now we can further make changes and customizations to this design, and there's a few ways we can do this. We can either chat to AI on the left-hand side, or we can use these different options up here. For example, let's click on edit, and then we can hover over the different elements. So for example, if we wanted to change this content here, we can click and the editor will pop up on the left-hand side. If we double click, again, we can change the content on the left, or we can simply make changes from this interface. So you have access to on-page editing. I'm going to change this to width and change whole to entire. We also have on-page basic formatting options, and we can add a link. However, if I want to make major changes to this text block, I would navigate down to typography and make changes here. Again, let's click on this button here and make some changes. I'm going to delete. So here we have the content. Get lifetime access is our CTA, call to action. So I'm going to delete this part here, and I'm happy with that. Let's navigate down the page. Click here, and again we can change the text on page or inside the text editor on the left hand side. I'm going to change this and add your and edit one, and then when you're happy with your on-page changes, simply click on save and your changes will be made. Now if your changes are not made, simply go ahead and click on reload, and that will reload your designs. Now we can also use this comment feature. For example, if we navigate down here, let's add another section here. Simply navigate up to comment, navigate down to any element, and you can chat to AI to make those specific changes. For example, I'm going to click here. Please add another section below this section. Make a product comparison table between Sheetify CRM and other popular CRMs on the market. So this is a complex design request that I'm giving Claude Design. But just you wait, this is impressive. Go ahead, click on Send to Claude, and you'll see the work is being done in the background on the left-hand side. Okay, so you can see a table has been built over here. If we navigate up here, you'll notice a new version is ready. Click here, and let's navigate down to the section that we just built. And you can see this is pretty impressive. This design, this table, would have taken a long time for me to do myself. The honest comparison, Sheetify CRM versus the usual options, subscription CRMs do more. They also cost more every month. Take weeks to adopt and hold your data. Here's where each option actually lands. So this is quite cool. We have Sheetify CRM compared to subscription CRMs, as well as a blank spreadsheet if you were to build one yourself. And then we have a pretty cool comparison down here. So as you can see, you can either design a full website using Claude Design, or even just specific elements for your website. Now, when you're happy with your different changes to the different pages that you've designed inside of Claude Design, you can simply present in a full screen to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Then once you've reviewed your changes, navigate over to Share, and you can export your design. Download as a PDF, a project HTML, or PowerPoint. Maybe you wanted to share this design as a PowerPoint with your team, or upload the project to a different platform, or share as a PDF design for your team to review. Now we can also navigate down to more formats and apps, and this is the awesome thing you can do with Claude Design. You can send your design to Claude Code to then build out your design. Again, this is with anything that you're designing. If you're building a website, app, web application, widgets, or tools, you can simply send your designs directly to Claude Code, and Claude Code will build your design for you and do everything else you can think of. Whether it's connecting to third-party tools or integrating APIs, Claude will do the rest for you. As you can see, this is actually insane. In my opinion, graphic web app designers and developers should be incredibly worried about this because it's incredibly disruptive. For example, if I designed a social media campaign, I could send this to Canva and make changes inside of Canva. If it was a landing page or a website, I could send it to Wix and continue building the website inside of Wix, hosting the website, setting up emails, a CMS, and more in the backend with Wix. If we click on Connect More Destinations, you can go ahead and connect these other tools. Again, depending on the web stack that you use. Okay, let's click out of here and open up a new chat. New chat. And here we have a fresh chat that we can use to continue designing this project. Okay, what I'm going to do is navigate up here And down here you can see all my projects. Let's quickly design an app. Okay, so I added design an app called Sync CFO for iOS and Android. This is an app that automatically pulls your bank transaction data into a spreadsheet. The app also allows you to generate important accounting documents and reports, eliminating the need to pay for expensive accounting tools like Xero and QuickBooks. Okay, I'm just going to add that because let's say this is an app idea. I'm at the early stages of building an app. Claude Design is going to help me with design inspiration. Click on Generate. Again, Claude Design will ask a few questions about the app that we want to build. Design system to build on. You can select any of these. I'm going to select not sure, let Claude pick. Existing code to build on. You can connect with GitHub automatically if you like. Attach a local code base. You can leave this for now, as we just want to create a design. Who is it primarily for? Small businesses. Which screen should I design? I haven't given any screens yet. So again, this is going to give me inspiration. I like all of these. This is everything that I would need in an app like this. What's the single moment the app must nail? I'm going to select this option here. Which documents can it generate? Let's go ahead and select all of these. Spreadsheet view. Let's go ahead and both toggle. Which frame should I show? Let's go ahead and click both. Copy tone. Warm and reassuring. Want variations and on what? Let's just go ahead and go no. One strong direction. Add anything else down here if we like. And as you can see, it's going to pull in suggestions based on where I'm located and the type of design I'm trying to create. I'm just going to go ahead and click on send answer. Again, you can see the activity on the left-hand side. This will take a few minutes, so be patient. Again, with the release of Claude Design, you no longer need to pay thousands of dollars for any type of design. As you can see, Claude Design has completely disrupted the entire design economy. Okay, so after a few minutes, our example Sync CFO app has been designed. This is for iOS and Android. Now, similar to the website that we designed earlier, you can interact with your different designs. Okay, so we have this page here, connect a bank. The user can connect a bank account. These are New Zealand banks. Claude knows I'm in New Zealand. Here we have an example of 3 accounts connected. Then if we navigate down here, we have other user interfaces. Here we have the home page, which shows our financial data, transactions over here. We can open up the sheet to see those transactions being added to the connected sheet, the grid interface, as well as the cards interface. And then we have other interfaces here, new report. As you can see, a profit and loss has been generated. We can download PDF, share, and more down here. As you can see, this is incredibly impressive. Okay, let's navigate back up to the top. Again, if we want to make changes, we can simply select an element or a section on our different interfaces, and then chat with AI to make those changes. We can also click on edit and make changes to the different elements, either with the editor on the left-hand side or on the design itself. Pretty impressive, huh? Again, as I mentioned, you can present in full screen, new tab in this tab, and when you're happy with your designs, you can share to a place like Claude Code to then implement and design your app. Now, I've gone through this process with an app that I'm currently developing, and I designed literally everything with Claude Design, from the website and landing pages through to the app on iOS and Android. Then I simply pushed all my designs to Claude Code to build my website and to build my apps. I have zero coding experience, but the great thing about Claude Code, is that AI walks you through the process and does 99% of everything for you. It's actually just ridiculous what you can do with Claude. Okay, what I'm going to do is jump back to my home, to all my projects, and open up this project down here. Now again, going back to the first example, Sheetify CRM, we use Shopify as our website. And for me, I didn't like my add to cart. It was basic and not conversion focused. A lot of our customers were dropping off on the cart page. The cart slider looked like this. And all I did is jumped into Claude Design, took a screenshot of my current cart, took a screenshot of this current cart, and asked Claude Design to simply optimize this cart. In a few minutes, Claude spat out this design here. And all I did is took this design and pushed it to Claude Code. And then Claude Code built this slide out cart for me. And with Claude, you can connect it with your different tools. For me, I connected Claude Code with Shopify and simply asked Claude to implement this add to cart on my Shopify store. And in just a few minutes, the cart that I designed inside of Claude Design was built inside of Claude Code, and Claude implemented the code inside Shopify for me. Typically, I would talk with a developer back and forth, which would take hours for them to design and build something like this. As you can see, Claude Design is an absolute game changer. You can design anything that you can think of by simply chatting with the AI. I'm excited to know what you've used Claude Design for in your business. Let me know down in the comments. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this Claude Design tutorial. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.